Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Koketso, also known as Angelo. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you. I'm giving you another video, so I hope you enjoy this one as well. I absolutely love hearing from you. So please do leave a comment, like, share, follow me on Instagram. I'll follow you back, whatever, you know the drill. Anyways, today is a Saturday. I went to the gym earlier on, so I'm a bit tired and I had to wait out to fix up my camera. But anyway, right now we're going to Ono City. Ono is about an hour from here, and I'm just gonna see what's up. It's already 2 p.m, so it's a bit late because a lot of the places close at like 4-5. So I'm just gonna try see if I can, do something, see a few places over there and get some good food. I'm gonna try out Katsudon, which is what the students are always talking about, and it's famous in Fukui. Hi bong figile guys, but I'm so stressed because wrong. For those who don't know, I am a qualified civil engineering technologist, so a lot of the projects that I've worked on are road projects, so road construction. So the designing, I've been on the designing end, and I've also been on the the construction end. And wrong man with Japanese roads. No man. If it's not the geometry, okay, we've got that out of the way. We would say with geometry of the roads, I said Japan, it's totally off. Okay, it goes against everything that I've learned at school, so it's kind of like a mind fuck. But in Toyaga, road markings as well as robots, traffic lights, because traffic lights not even you are here, like you stop here, and then the traffic light is over there, and you can't figure out, is it for you or it's not for you. In other areas, there's not even a line to show that you must stop there for a traffic light. You only realize this when umto is saying and then you're like, oh, that's for me. And the safety element, it's just not there. It's not up to par. I get it because bus driver 50, but for tickets and for abantu that don't know, it's crazy because I'm just like, this is what they tell you not to do in school. It's weird. It's weird. No safety factor isn't clear. It's a negative. Nope. 1, 2.
To be a star, I can really dream about that. They're few and far between, you know what I mean? But I can see them shining, I can see them shining on me. Ooh, yeah, come on, yeah. Here we are, in the Afro future. I'm skywalking on the beat. Me and my niggas in the middle of the street, making a scene. Hop in the car, let's cruise, don't speed. I'm getting comfy in the passenger seat. Baby, you can drive back so I can give me a drink. Now let me see. I ain't got no money, but I still got.
What I absolutely loved about this art gallery is that it is a small, quaint art gallery, but I think the direction that it took in terms of getting people involved in the art is quite a powerful angle, because you can interact with the art, you can draw, you can use whatever medium that is available, and then get involved in creating your own little piece of art or writing or whatever way you want to express yourself, obviously with inspiration from whatever that is being displayed at the art gallery. And then later on you can come back and see how they used those little pieces of collections that they got from visitors to make a much bigger art or display.
And far between, you know what I mean? But I can see them shining, I can see them shining on me. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
5 p.m. on a Saturday kutokuvaliwe nje. And this is about 5 on a Saturday kuvaliwe. What is going on? Who are their target markets? Ukuthi bavale ngo-5. Hayibo. Abantu basageza mos. You are still showering, but they've closed, guys. It's like 5 p.m. and a lot of places close at like 3. I don't know, but I look good.
Did you lose yourself in what you thought was your reason to be? Now let me see. To be a star, ooh, I can really dream about that. If you can fall between, you know what I mean? But
I definitely like this place. There's a vibe to it. I like it. I definitely need to be back and need to come early because but more they love go chaisha ba go chaisha ba ya ga abana na kweo la rutlha ba entertain na lo wena mashio. So I definitely need to come back because this place closes quite early, 3 p.m. and by 6 p.m. all the places are closed. People are locking up. It's just a few places that are open. There isn't a single restaurant that is open in the area, but I need to find food now, so I'm gonna Google a place I could go eat right now. I don't know if I can find Katsudon because the students have been talking about Katsudon, so I'm trying to see if I can get it. If not, I'll just find a place nearby. I arrived at the place, but the parking lot is full. I know in Japanese restaurants they're this small and you have to reserve before you go. So, because the place only opens at 5:30 and right now it's 5:35, so they just opened. The parking lot is full and people are coming in. Because this means I have to talk. They're gonna ask me if I have a reservation. I have to say no and ask for a table. And then, do I have the vocabulary? No. Am I gonna go in? I think I can deal with it. I think today I can deal with it, so I am gonna go in. Let's go.
I can see him shining, yeah. I can see him shining on me, yeah. To be a star, ooh, I can really dream.
They have a table. They had a table, an empty table. Okay. And it's quite big. The place is quite big. And I found somebody that speaks English. There's a waiter that speaks English in here. I was like, you remember I had the text and I was like, oh, konnichiwa. And then I showed, and then she's just like, girl, I can speak English. She can. Yay. So let's wait for the food.
About that. If you can fall between, you know what I mean? But I can see him shining, yeah. I can see him shining on me,
Anyways, I just finished eating and the food was really, really good. But there is minimum nutritional value. I get why the students would definitely love it because it's like when I was eating it, I was like, I could eat this when I have period pains. You know, it's that type of food. It's a comfort food type of thing. So it's basically rice with cabbage, a layer of cabbage, and then pork cutlet, deep fried pork cutlet with soy sauce, pickles, and miso soup because Japan miso soup comes with everything. We have miso soup every day at school. But anyway, katsudon was that rice, cabbage, pork cutlet, and soy. I had the soy katsudon, so it is really good and tasty. But yeah, no nutritional value. I don't think there's any at all. Cause yeah. But it's really good. It's really good. I'd rate it like maybe a 9.5 or maybe even a 10. But like, who gives a 10, right? I mean, I can. It was really good. It was really good. Good food. A lot of carbs. I did all the gym work that I did, but I'm not complaining. That's why I go to the gym so I can eat good. But I really enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for watching. That is the end of the vlog for today. I'm gonna drive back to my place, and yay! I don't know if you guys can see. Wait, I don't know if you guys can see. You can. Look at that. This is like a nice view. You see the mountains and the
clouds. It's like really, really nice. And I think I've established that I am more of a mountains person more than I am a coastal beach person. Because I always thought if I live by the beach, I'm always going to let me. I'll jump my. I think I'm more of a mountain person. Like I'm intrigued by mountains more than I am by the ocean. Maybe I think so. Hey guys, so today it's a Saturday. It's a nice sunny day. We've officially welcomed autumn, the new season, fall as Americans say, and as they prefer to say in Japan. We officially welcomed fall, and so today is one of the weekends where it is bright and shiny, not as cloudy as the first part of the week was, so that's a good thing. And today we are having a color picnic in the city, so that's why you see me in purple, the flowers, the earrings from my sister's brand Nomadic Creations, and a purplish dress.
I really do. She called my heart, my head chocolate. I started going crazy. Like I can't buy you. Take time with me. You showing me loving. You showing me loving. Anything you want from me, I will be your ATM. We can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Baby, we can follow our place. I throw your penny on my head. I get the ball head, sir. Man, you bad, da-da-da. I bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change your pony fair, da-da-da. Man, you bad, da-da-da. I'm a say I too bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change your pony fair, da-da-da. Troublemaker. We troublemaker. We troublemaker. We causing trouble. Yeah, yeah. We staring trouble. When they see you, they talking. When they see me, they talking. The how you looking? Like Christina said, oh, we can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Baby, we can follow our place. I throw your penny on my head. I get the ball head, sir. Man, you buy.